May I approach?
Yes.
Court,
No, that's for you. That's for you.
that's for you to go call.
Oh, the only thing you have to do is ask. Jefferson County Court at Law Number 2 is back in session. The court is in session with the bond forfeiture docket on today's date of February 11th, 2026 at 1:30 p.m. State, are you ready?
We are, Your Honor. May we approach?
Yes, you may.
And Mr. Windler is here as well. I think the first matter is he filed a motion to withdraw as the attorney for the first defendant on the bond forfeiture docket, Mr. Chavez Nava, Ronaldo Chavez Nava. And anyway, I'll let him make his argument about withdrawal.
Okay, hold on, let me pull up the motion right quick. Okay, Mr. Winlow, I have the motion. You may go forward.
Your Honor, I just requested the motion to withdraw. I lost contact with my client during the representation. I got him approved for a pretrial diversion. I was warning. I had to warn him because we have other clients in our law firm that have been apprehended during probation meetings for ICE, and so he was undocumented. And I was encouraging him to get his affairs in order in case that happened to him while he was on pretrial. And he became, I believe, nervous that he was going to be apprehended during a probation meeting or during court. And he just stopped communicating and stopped moving forward with the pretrial process. And I wasn't able to get him to show up for the pretrial signing, which we had scheduled. And I am unable to get him to respond to any of my phone calls regarding this judgment Nisi hearing today.
And say that you, according to your motion, you gave him a copy.
I sent him a copy of this. It was returned, but I sent it to the address that I knew was the correct address for him.
Okay. You want to submit this as exhibit?
Yes, I'd like to submit that as exhibit.
Oh, you know what? Hold on a minute.
Well, it's open too on my system.
Okay. Miss
Mr. Windler's motion to withdraw, we did send notice of this hearing here today. We've got on the docket, we sent notice to Mr. Chavez Nava. I think we sent it to his two different addresses that we have and tried to get him served there. And also, I think we emailed it to him as well.
Okay.
When you tell-
Let me know when you're ready. This is cause number 25 CCCV 0544. Case is style of state of Texas versus Arnaldo Chavez Nava. And Mr. Arnaldo Chavez Nava is represented in this case by his attorney, Walt Windler. Mr. Windler is present. Mr. Windler, how are you doing?
Good afternoon, Judge. I'm fine, thank you.
That's good. And Mr. Windler, you filed this motion to withdraw in this case, is that correct?
That's correct, Judge.
Would you please go forward?
Mr. Nava hired me to represent him in a DWI, and he also had received a notification he received a letter in the mail saying that he had missed a hearing. And so I wound up offering to represent him also for the Nisi action, the judgment Nisi. And in the process of representing him in the DWI and the judgment Nisi, I got him approved for a pretrial diversion for the DWI. And when I was explaining to him consequences of the pretrial diversion program and the guidelines that he would have to follow, including going to probation meetings, I informed him that there have been undocumented defendants that were clients of ours that have been picked up at probation meetings. And I was telling him this because he's also undocumented, and I wanted to make sure that he was aware if there was a need for him to have his affairs in order, if something like that were to happen to him. And because of that warning, I think he just got nervous about being picked up at the courthouse, and he stopped communicating. He did not show up with me to his pretrial diversion contract signing after he and I actually met and filled out the contract and everything together. We never went, he didn't meet me there for the actual contract signing, and I haven't been able to get in touch with him since.
Okay. And you sent him a letter, is that correct?
I did send him a notice, Judge, that notified him of my intent to withdraw as his attorney. I notified him of the date of this hearing in writing, and I sent it return receipt requested certified mail.
Okay. And let's see, you have a copy of that
I do, Judge.
letter right here. So we have this marked as say defense exhibit.
Defense exhibit number 1.
Yes.
Just anywhere on there? It says
What?
anywhere on there?
Yeah, we are. You have any objections to defense exhibit number 1?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, that will be admitted. You have anything else?
No, Judge.
State, do you have a response?
No, Your Honor, we have no objection to Mr. Windler's withdrawing
Okay.
from this case.
Okay, let me. The court is going to grant this motion to withdraw. So, Mr. Wendler, you're discharged as attorney of record for Mr. Chavez Nava. All further notices in this case shall be addressed to Mr. Nava.
Thank you, Judge.
Okay, you're free to go and you have a blessed day.
Thank you. You too. You too.
Okay. Okay, you may go forward, stay.
Thank you. Your Honor, the state would ask that the court take judicial notice of the court's bond forfeiture docket dated for today's date, February 11th, 2026 at 1:30 p.m.
The court will take judicial notice of the bond forfeiture docket dated on the day's date, February 11, 2026 at 1:30 p.m.
And we'd ask that the court enter judgment. Oh, and let me back up. We'd ask that the court take judicial notice of the underlying Nisi case as well as the underlying criminal case in each one of the cases listed on the court's bond forfeiture docket.
And the court will repeat what you said.
Yes, we'd ask that you take judicial notice of the underlying case and the Nisi case as listed on the court's bond forfeiture docket.
And the court will take judicial notice of the underlying case and the Nisi case that are listed on the bond forfeiture docket. And just for the record, bailiff made a call earlier. Is that correct?
Yes.
And did anyone answer?
No response.
No response. Okay. Okay, this will conclude the calling of the bond forfeiture docket in County Court at Law number 2 on today's date, February 11, 2026 at 1:30 p.m.
Your Honor, we do have written judgments for all of those cases except one. And as I explained to the court before we got in the hearing, Sandra is sick today, and there's something about the final judgment in the Drim Win case that she needs to take care of. So you don't have that judgment in there, but we will be forwarding that to the court
Okay.
just as soon as Sandra gets back.
Okay.
All right.
You may be excused.
Thank
Yes,
you.
you may.
Have a
Okay.
wonderful day.
All right, you're welcome. This will conclude the calling of the court's bond forfeiture docket in County Court at Law number 2 of Jefferson County, Texas. Judge Terrence L. Holmes presiding. Everyone, please have a blessed day.